Sementara apa dia orang semua isi, I just quickly share index lah. Kalau
Okay.
ada yang minat nak trade index. Okay guys, so first kita tengok okay, before I go into index, I just quickly show this US 10-year yield. Boleh nampak screen saya ke?
Yes, boleh.
Okay, nampak ni 10-year yield. Nampak
Yes, boleh.
Okay, I think the 2% is something like a big round number. I think I remember almost mid last year kita pernah bercakap pasal ni, ke mana hala tuju gold ni. Okay, so we are expecting it will come to 2%, and of course it takes longer time than we anticipated. Okay, so 10-year yield they reached almost about 1.75 and then a drop to 1.4, then came back, breakout, and then hovering around 1.9 for the last 2-3 days. Okay, then came to reach 2% plus. Okay, and of course kalau siapa yang tengok, bila sampai 2% dia ada immediate rejection. Siapa yang monitor lah, macam saya monitor, dia sampai 2%, exactly dekat 2% dia actually ada rejection. Kalau you all boleh tengok lah, ni dekat ni 2%, mana 2.03. Actually on the lower time frame, sekejap ya, itu sebab saya monitor betul-betul dia dekat sini 2% dekat sini 2%, lepas tu dia drop, lepas tu dia push higher. Okay, of course dia ambil sedikit lah ke atas, sekarang dia tengah drop. So this another reason gold pun naik ke atas lah. This is a big move because this small move, okay, few basis point will impact gold quite a lot. Okay, so drop ni, okay, almost as sama macam daripada 1835 to about 1860 punya level. Okay, kalau kita translate ke gold lah. Okay, so we are still expecting dia naik ke atas. As I mentioned ni, we are looking at about 2.2 to about 2.3%. Okay, to go up. So when this turn around, you see gold will be dropping, provided no geopolitical issue. Okay, sebab kalau geopolitical issue, then this correlation will not work. Okay, because geopolitical issue will take over. Okay, this is where sometimes the market correlation will break down. Okay, versus normal economics 101 ataupun economics logic. Okay, so with that kita tengok what happened to index last week ataupun what's going to happen. I think I talked about Nasdaq. Nasdaq always will be the kata dia, Nasdaq ni dia macam pair GBP, dia selalu akan react lagi teruk ataupun lagi banyak daripada S&P dengan kawan dia Dow Jones. Okay, Nasdaq ni dia macam GBP dalam currency. Okay, kalau saya nak bagi contoh, kalau dia orang ni move 100 point, yang ni move dalam 80 point, Nasdaq boleh move 200 point. So itu dia punya ni, Nasdaq selalu atas bawah macam GBP pair, very volatile. So kalau dia drop dalam 2%, macam ni dia drop dalam 2%, dia orang ni mungkin drop 1.3, 1.5. Yang ni mungkin 1.2 to 1.5. So itu dia punya comparison lah. So kita nampak sama, bila gold naik pasal isu Russia, Ukraine apa semua tu, Nasdaq pun menjunam. Okay, so kita expect Nasdaq akan menjunam lagi kalau provider kata Russia Ukraine issue ni, dan dia akan break down ke bawah lagi teruk. Okay, tapi hopefully kalau tak ada benda, then this will be a support 14,220 untuk Nasdaq. We are expecting move up. Okay, probably test this level. Ini untuk Nasdaq okay, probably test this level dekat 15,500. Okay, before continue. Sebab siapa yang remember, I was telling stock market ataupun global index, we are looking for bigger correction. Okay, not to say total reversal. Okay, but it's more of a bigger correction. It's long overdue sebab kalau tengok especially Nasdaq move ni terlalu I wouldn't say artificial, but I would say quote unquote artificial sebab benda ni sebab berlaku sebab hari tu kan bila COVID berlaku, dia orang buat quantity easing, dia orang print banyak duit, dia orang buat macam-macam. So most companies took advantage with the lower interest rate, with the loss of money, supply semua tu dia orang okay. So sampai apa tu Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Netflix, Google semua tu sampai dia orang panggil FANG. So sekarang ni mungkin panggil Meng kot sebab Facebook kan dah tukar nama jadi Meta. Okay. So tapi saya tak dengar pula sekarang ni Meng. Yang ni biasa pernah keluar FANG. Bun pernah dengar kan FANG?
Tak, apa tu? Meng Feng tu apa dia?
FANG ni short term untuk Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Netflix,
Oh, okey okey.
Google.
Sebab saya
So
pun
dulu
tak.
term ni masa dia orang tengah naik ni agak popular FANG ni. Okay.
Oh, okey.
So sekarang ni patutnya jadi Meng sebab Facebook kan dah tukar pergi Meta.
Meta.
So, nama Meng ni macam pelik je bunyi dia. Okay. Okay, but nevertheless, okay. We are expecting a bigger correction. Okay, at least I think I mentioned it last time, probably about 13 plus ataupun this 13,000. So we are expecting this move and then breaking down to somewhere deeper correction. Somewhere kalau FIBO level 38.2 ataupun if it's even further, then we are looking at anywhere between 12 to 11,000. But at this point, we discount this deeper correction. This might happen if it's an economic recession ataupun financial crisis lah. Okay, so probably we at least looking at this kind of correction. So siapa yang trade Nasdaq, you guys can scalp an intraday. Okay, tapi I think the movement still it is more towards a downtrend versus a uptrend. Although contohnya even issue Russia Ukraine tak ada pun, we are still looking at it is apa kata downtrend move at least sampai ke level sini. Sebab this move was too okay lah, dia terlalu apa macam contoh kalau sini hari tu apa stock market, kalau saya just bagi analogy lah, macam Top Glove, apa lagi yang glove makers kat Malaysia hari tu buat profit banyak-banyak masa COVID, tapi sekarang dah kurang sebab COVID pun sekarang tak banyak pakai glove apa semua. Jadi kalau Top Glove, bayangkan ini apa saham Top Glove, dia dah naik macam tu, so sekarang ni time untuk dia turun lah. Tapi Top Glove takkanlah turun sampai bawah sini kan, lebih kurang demi analogy macam tu. Okay, so market was moving out that fast, so we are expecting at least 38.2 ataupun worst case 50 punya level untuk make correction. Okay, so this on the Nasdaq, especially when it involves company macam Facebook ataupun Meta. I still like to call Facebook. Okay, they're going through lots of issues, and then macam Netflix also not having a good earnings outlook at least for the next couple of months. Okay, so we are expecting this move. Okay, quickly we look at the Dow Jones first. Okay, so Dow Jones, all three will move in the similar direction. Okay, so kalau tengok kat sini sama direction dia. We are expecting this move, of course, happen due to Ukraine Russia punya issue. So hopefully it's a good news coming out, but still we are looking at it maybe come up to about 35,000 ataupun 35,000 plus, then continue make a bit of new lower low, and then a lower high, then a new lower low. Okay, so this is a move we are looking at it for Dow Jones. That's why normally kalau kita analisa satu, normally dia sama je direction dia. Tiga-tiga ni macam adik-beradik. Okay, so kalau tengok dekat sini, okay, so same move, we are looking at it, move up, probably a lower high kat sini, okay, ataupun slightly above, maybe make a triple top ataupun quadruple top, then continue down. Okay, at least we are expecting it make a new lower low. Maknanya kalau tengok dekat daily time frame, okay, katakan dia dah buat mana ni 4244, okay, so somewhere towards FMC ataupun just after FMC, we are expecting this move come down to about 4,100 ataupun 4,000 punya level. So kalau you all tengok on a weekly time frame, this is where market was moving very high ataupun too fast, too high. Okay, so that's why we are looking at it. This move go up, come down, make a new lower low, and then make a lower high and make another new lower low. So same thing, somewhere at 38.2 ataupun worst case at 50. But this is maybe another 6 months, 8 months down the road. This is probably next 1-2 months, just before FMC ataupun just after FMC. We are expecting FMC to happen something like this kat sini, and there's a big drop happen for this. Okay, Mon?
Okey,
So
baik.
ada soalan lain?
Terima kasih Cikgu Rashid. So itu analisa untuk indeks.
Hmm.
So kalau ada apa-apa soalan